Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves with friends on Steam. First, launch the game from your Steam library. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu and select the Play option. From there, you can choose between Adventure for open-world exploration or Arena for competitive play. After selecting your preferred mode, you will be ready to invite your friends to form a formidable crew. To invite your friends, open the My Crew menu while in the game. This menu allows you to manage your current crew. Select the Invite Friends option, which will display your Steam friends list. You can then send invitations to up to 3 other players, forming a crew of 4. Once your friends accept, they will seamlessly join your ship, ready for adventure. Sea of Thieves offers fantastic cross-platform capabilities, meaning you can play with friends regardless of their gaming system. Whether they are on an Xbox console or a Windows personal computer, you can all sail together. To facilitate these invites, utilize the Xbox game bar. Remember, every player will need a Microsoft account linked to their game for seamless cross-platform interaction and crew formation. With your crew assembled and ready, the next step is to vote to set sail. You can choose your preferred ship type, such as a nimble sloop for 2 players or a mighty galleon for 4. Coordinate roles like helmsman, cannon operator, and lookout for maximum efficiency. Then, embark on exciting voyages, discover hidden treasures, and explore the vast, open world of Sea of Thieves together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.